Today we'll solve some problems related to finding the inverse. Okay, so they're from the Thomas Calculus book, chapter 7, problems in or exercises in 7.1. Alright, so let's jump into the first problem, which is problem number 19. We need to find the inverse of. Let's start writing. So problem 19, whoopsie, problem 19, we have f of x equals x squared plus 1. We need f inverse of x. Alright, so let's solve it. First thing, we need to do is given f of x equals x squared plus 1, which is y equals x squared plus 1. And then step 1, solve for x. So it becomes y minus 1 equals x squared and then x equals square root of y minus 1. So what does it mean to solve for x? It means we want to get the value of x from here in terms of y. So this is what we get. Step 2, this is step 1. Step 2 is interchange x and y. And let's call this 1. So it becomes y equals square root of x minus 1. So in this step, we exchange x and y. So this becomes the inverse. So now f minus 1, f inverse is square root of x minus 1. Alright, okay. Let's take another example or another problem, sorry. Okay. Alright, what's the other problem? The other problem is problem 21. So 21 says f of x equals x cubed minus 1. So we want to find the inverse. So how do we solve? Solution. So now I don't need to write in details because you know the drill. F of x, I know that f of x equals x cubed minus 1. So that is y equals x cubed minus 1. Step 1 is solve for x. So y plus 1 equals x cubed. And then x equals y plus 1. Alright, so step 2. What is step 2? Interchange x and y. So this becomes n 1. So this is 1. Y equals square root of 3. Not square root, sorry. Cube root. X plus 1. Alright, let's do one more problem. We can verify that we have the correct answers from the end of the book, because we're solving the odd questions. Now we solve problem 23. What does it say? It says f of x equals x plus 1 squared Okay, so solution. I know f of x equals x plus 1 squared, that is y equals x plus 1 squared. Step 1, solve for x. So x plus 1 squared equals y. X plus 1 equals square root of y. And then x equals square root of y minus 1. Call this 1. Step 2. Or don't call it anything. This is just an old way I used to use and I'm used to doing it. Let's say number 2, step 2 is to interchange x and y. So y equals square root of x minus 1. And that is the inverse function. Okay. We're done for this video. Hope to see you in other videos. Or hope to make more videos. Alright, bye bye.